In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do affiliate marketing in one of the hottest niches out there, using a very, very unique method that you've probably never thought about before. And so here I am on entrepreneur.com, and this is a site that I visit quite regularly. I really like this website. It's pretty cool. It has interesting content. There's a lot of interesting advice, interesting things are happening, and actually it's one of several magazines that I visit from time to time just to understand what's happening in the world, because I'm always working, but I still need to know what the rest of the world is doing, so I'm not fully locked away from the world, and I can understand where the world is heading by realizing where the world is now. And so the other reason why I like entrepreneurs so much is that a lot of people that visit this site are either small business owners or people looking to start a business. So take a look at this one. Right in the center, start a business. They would not put that there if they did not think that this is going to be something that people click on, because everything on this site, all the articles, all the ads is very expensive real estate. So the fact that it says start a business means that this site is targeted to a lot of people that are planning to start a business. And so how do you promote affiliate offers? There's lots of ways of promoting them. Obviously, we can buy traffic here and promote our affiliate offers. And yeah, that's an option to do. But I have even a better way that I'm going to share with you today. What we're going to be doing is we're going to find people that visit the site. And what we're going to do, we're going to be promoting offers to them in a very, very unique and very indirect way that you probably have never thought about. And so what we're going to do in this video is we are going to reach people that are interested in the site. We're going to provide value to them. And that along with the value, we are going to be promoting various very targeted affiliate offers. Okay. And so what do I mean by value? Well, this site has a lot of value. So for instance, this article here, promoting your business offline, 5 tips to connect with customers off the web. So I want to know what those 5 tips are. Or I tried, here's what happened. I want a summary. Or maybe there's even books, right? 8 soft skills, 7 apps. I don't want to read the article. I just want to know the apps. I want to know the skills. I want the summary. And so what if we can reach people that read the site? We can create a list, a newsletter, and we can send them various bits and pieces of information, something very, very quick. A paragraph here, a couple of sentences here with value. And then along with the value, we are going to be promoting various affiliate offers, okay? And what we're going to be doing here is we are going to be creating an email newsletter that's going to be targeted to people that visit entrepreneur.com and other similar sites. And then we're going to send content and also combine that with affiliate offers. Now, the beautiful thing about this strategy is that I'm going to show you tools that are not going to cost you a single penny. So for instance, here's a really great tool. It's called Mailblaster. First class emails at the least count, unlimited subscribers, and 62,000 emails at $0 a month. So you can sign up with this provider, and then you also have to sign up with Amazon SES. And Amazon SES is a great service. I actually talked about them in one of my previous videos, because if you go to Amazon SES, you will realize that the pricing for them is also very, very reasonable. When you call Amazon SES from an application, you can send 62,000 messages per month at no charge. And so that is exactly what we're going to be doing on Mailblaster. And so once you sign up with Amazon SES, it's completely free to sign up. You can sign up with them and you can essentially you can have unlimited subscribers and 62,000 emails at $0 a month. And so I do not know a plan that has something as cheaper as this, because this is pretty much as cheapest as it will go. Of course, there are other providers for sending emails that you can find out. You can Google for Mailblaster alternatives or Amazon SES providers and things like that. But if you want to go really, really cheap, I recommend you just go with them. I'm not an affiliate or anything like that. I just know good things about the service. And so you're going to sign up with them. And once you sign up, you'll be able to create various emails, and you'll be able to send. Now, how are we going to reach these people, and what kind of offers are we going to promote? That is something I'm going to be talking about right now. So the way we're going to reach these people is once you create an account here, you're going to go to Facebook ads and you're going to create a campaign. We're going to do a traffic objective. We're going to click continue, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to do. And so I went ahead and created this campaign. We have a new campaign. We have an ad set. This is website traffic. If we scroll down, I have a budget set at $20. You can set it at $10. And the audience is United States. We have 25 plus. And we have an interest entrepreneur magazine. 5.5 million people, which is perfect for us. And this is amazing because we are going to be reaching that beautiful audience who is mostly interested in starting a business. But we do not want to reach them just yet. We want to provide them value. We don't want to say, hey, you want to start a business, buy this. This is what a lot of other marketers do, but we are smarter than that. We're above that. What we want to do is we want to reach them and we want to provide value. And so for the ad, you need to create a new Facebook page. That's the first thing. You're going to scroll down. You're going to click on add media. You're going to click on add image. You're going to go to stock photos, and then you're going to pick a business. And honestly, it doesn't really matter what you pick. It could be any of these images. You can even type website, or you can type money. Well, maybe money is a little bit too direct. Let's take a look. Yeah, money is probably not a good idea, but you can type website, and you're going to have images that kind of have to do with business in a way. So for instance, it says web design. We don't want to do that, but maybe something like this can work. There's a computer, there's a person viewing stuff on their phone. So something like this is going to be perfect. And what we're going to say here is we're going to write the following. And so you can write something like this. Very, very simple copy, but it gets the point across that we're going to be giving them advice and tips having to do with these popular magazines. Now, for the headline and description, both of these are optional. You don't really need to fill them out. You do need a website URL. And actually, when you sign up with Mailblaster or this other tool called Email Octopus, which is very, very similar, you'll be able to build a landing page. And on the landing page, you'll be able to have an opt-in. And so when they sign up, when you run the ad, they're going to have an opt-in. They're going to receive entrepreneurial advice, tips, and tricks from these magazines that you're going to be sending them out. But when you're going to send them out, just in the beginning of every article, of every email, you're going to say something like, this content is sponsored by. So for instance, let's say you signed up with one of these email providers that I mentioned before. You're going to have something like this where you're going to write content for the email, and you can schedule these emails. You can automate it. There's all kinds of things that you can do. And so when you're going to be writing this email, you can say like something like, hey there, today's email is about books for entrepreneurs. And then you can list the 5 books or the 7 books. The following books are recommended by entrepreneur. Okay? And then you can list the books here as a list. But before you do that, you can write something in italics. This email is sponsored by Bluehost. Bluehost is the best way. Bluehost obviously has an affiliate program. If you Google Bluehost affiliate program, you can find it here. This is bluehost.com/affiliates. You can go here. The other option that you can promote is SiteGround. I personally promote Bluehost, but you can promote SiteGround as well. You can compare the prices. You can see I've had good success with Bluehost, but I also heard great things about SiteGround. And so this is an amazing method because we are not charging for this email newsletter. This is an absolutely free email newsletter. But in exchange of promoting and giving away all this value, we are going to be promoting various offers initially. So this is the way we're going to be promoting. This email is sponsored by Bluehost, and you're going to have links here because the email is going to be sent in HTML format, and you can specify links. And so with every email, you can have a sponsor or something like you can say today's sponsor is Bluehost. Today's sponsor is SiteGround. Today's sponsor is Shopify. Start a new Shopify store. One thing you have to understand, and this is very, very important, this niche of people that are looking to start a business is an amazing niche, because they have money ready and they want to spend money to make money. This is something you have to understand. And this is a great way to reach. And so now that I showed you my entire Facebook campaign, you can go to one of these free tools. And I'm not an affiliate for any of this. I'm not an affiliate for Mailblaster. I'm not an affiliate for Email Octopus. Amazon SES doesn't even have an affiliate program. And so you're free to sign up for these tools, and your email sending is going to be almost minimal. It's going to cost you pretty much zero, as stated on this page, $0 a month. If you send at most, so if you have unlimited subscribers and you're sending 62,000 emails, it's going to cost you $0 a month. And if you go over that, it's going to cost you pennies to send extra emails. And so this is a great method, because we are able to reach really high quality audience and have these tools set up for absolutely no cost. And plus, you can promote pretty much any offer that you want. You can promote Bluehost one day, you can promote SiteGround the next day, you can go to Shopify, promote their program. There's an unlimited affiliate programs that are targeted at people starting a new business. All right, guys, so I really hope you found this method useful. Let me know below in the comments area if you have any questions, or you have some comments, or you are not sure about something, you need me to clarify something. But this is an incredible method, because we're finding high quality people that read these magazines that want to start a business, and that way you can promote it. And so if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, leave a comment below. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe, click the notification bell, because I'm going to be making lots and lots of videos on very interesting methods of doing affiliate marketing. All right, so once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.